Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about create a lead in the Zoho CRM using Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let me run this project. NVM use Node 16 clear node index.js. First of all, I need to get the refresh token here. Login accept. So here I have the access token and the refresh token. I'm going to just copy this and add in our code. Okay, here. Okay, now I'm going to use that access token to create the leads. So here I need the refresh token to generate the access token, right? So let me just copy this module. Okay, for creating the lead. So here we have the, let's create a one file more, and here I'm going to create a lead. View word wrap. Here I will go with .in. Okay, I need the client ID, client secret and the refresh token. Refresh token, as we have, you can see we have refresh token, so let's use this refresh token. Okay, now we have a client ID. So in the last video we have the client ID, so this is our client ID. This is our client secret. Okay, add it. Okay, and Zoho CRM auth configuration. Okay, after that get the access token first. So here I'm going to get the access token. Okay, after getting the access token I'm going to create the lead. So await the get access token, then this is the object that we are creating for creating the lead. Okay, so here you can see that, right? And after this, here you can see that we have to call the API with CRM v2 leads. Okay, and here we need to pass the lead data and then Zoho auth token, that is access token. Okay, and if created, then log that lead created, else something went wrong, and call this function that is create lead. Let's save this and run this. Okay, so control C, node in test.js, right? So let's have a look. Invalid token. Okay, so it says that the token is not valid. Let's use this as a token for now. Access token. I have passed refresh token, or the access token is not coming. Let's add this and see, is it working? Let's run it because we have generated right now. Here you can see that the access token is this one and it is validate lead created. Let's look into the portal lead section. So currently you can see here we don't have the leads that we have added. Let's reload this. And here we have Rahul Sharma because 100 company is this one. So here you can see the data that we have added, that is this one, Rahul Sharma and all. So here we have this one. Okay, so the lead is there. Okay, so technical registry, the owner and everything is there. Okay, so this is how you are able to create the leads. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.